What makes Green Camp special is because this place is a perfect place, especially for kids who lives in the city, to reconnect with nature. And for my terms is like they do a handshake with the nature, where they can try to build a relationship. And in the end, hopefully, the main goal is for them to be able to protect the earth.
In this Green Camp value, we share about the 3R. It's mean 3 respects. The first one is respect to yourself, because it's the most important one. And also the second one is respect to others. And the third one is respect to the environment, or respect to the nature, respect to what we have around us. Because we cannot live without this. So far I know there's only one earth.
Working here as a facilitator, seeing them like very passionate about what they're doing, I'm kind of seeing myself through them, the people that work with me here. And for me, it's very important to love what you do, especially when you work with different families and also kids, school groups. And I think the connection and also the chemistry are real. And that's what makes Green Camp stays alive.
I think we do a pretty good job of teaching sustainability by modeling it and by living it. So when you visit here at the Green Camp, you're going to see organic gardens, and you can pick some of the vegetables and cook your own food. We have the composting toilets so that they can see the complete cycle of the waste and how it can be turned into compost. And also we teach upcycled art, so a lot of the materials that you see can be recycled or upcycled. And then finally, just through a sustainable lifestyle, like living close to nature, being connected to nature, and having a mindful approach to well-being and health. I think especially now, we're living in a time when we're really hyper-connected on the internet, and we're connected through social media, and we're connected on Facebook and Twitter, but we're not really connected in person. And I think one of the things that we really do is we connect you with each other, with the community, and with the natural world. So getting disconnected from the electronic world and getting reconnected to the natural world. I think that's probably one of the most important things we can do.
Sustainability is really all about setting yourself up for the future and kind of finding what works in the present and what could be changed to less of a negative environmental impact. Just kind of create a societal balance that is really beneficial for everyone. In the end, it's a pretty small place, and we don't just have all this land to throw away.
Well, I've connected to nature with all these walks in nature since the beginning, and the way we play in the field when we do games and stuff. And also we are in a natural environment, so with the bamboo houses, with the plants all over, so this is when we connect to nature. A new experience that I have had at the Green Camp was painting on bags with the natural dye and making the dye myself as well. It was really fun, and I'm a very artistic person.
Something new I learned at Green Camp is that everything is made out of bamboo, and everything around us is nature. So we can learn to be friends with nature. I never connected with nature since a long time, but since today I did. It's all because of you. Thank you, Green Camp.